nothing.
Isn't this exciting? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I've never been so excited.
Shut up!
Hey Dad, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Yes, son, St. Patrick's Day. Ugh.
Why are you hesitating, Dad? Aren't the Irish supposed to bring us luck?
No, BB, not the Irish, the leprechauns. Wait, isn't that the day when my poop turns green?
Now, Sally, it's the day when you get pinched if you don't wear green.
Yeah, Dad, why are you mad? Aren't you gonna tell us the old tales of the leprechauns? Ugh, fine. I can't believe I finally get to tell you this story. But don't get mad at me, okay? So, round. Okay, Dad, tell us the story from beginning to end. Okay. There once lived a leprechaun in the Irish land. Once lived a young lad named Terence. He was cropping around, trying to find home, until one day he found a friend. His name was Lucky, and he was the only friend I had. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, do you want to be friends? Sure, friendo. I am from the Irish. I am a leprechaun. I will bring you good luck. We played a lot of games, but he didn't understand them. Our friendship ended one day when he had to go back to the Irish. Wait, Dad, in the beginning you said you were already in the Irish land. What do you mean by that? He went to a private school. Oh, sorry. And that is the reason why I hate Grandpa Pig. Wait, you haven't told me why you hate him yet. Oh yeah, let's continue the story. One day, I saw him kill my friend, the leprechaun. No! Oh, I'm sorry about your loss, Dad. That's fine. That's why I want to talk about this St. Patrick's Day. What? Oh, I'm green, right? Oh, man. Hey, Master, so what do you want me to do? Okay, since I already heard his story, I need you to scare him away. Or surprise him. I don't really know what to do right now, because, I'm a king. Okay, so you're gonna go in there, and you're gonna say, "Oh, Terence, it's me, your leprechaun friend." And then he'll think you're his spirit. And then after that, you'll reveal yourself, and he'll be heartbroken and depressed. And no one will take care of those birds but themselves. Okay, go in there and impress your king. So, Dad, do you want to go and celebrate St. Patrick's Day? What did I just say, son? I don't like St. Patrick's Day.
Ooh. Hello, Terence. It's me, your leprechaun friend.
You don't sound anything like him. Plus, he's dead, and angels don't exist. Oh, sorry. I am an angel, but,
It is me, your friend.
that's Italian. Oh, well, I don't know how to talk like that. I don't know how to talk Irish. Ugh. God. Wait a second. That's just a plain old pig.
I know, right?
What are you talking about? I'm not. Ooh.
Ow. Oh. Hello.
No! They ruined our plan! Now what? Mustachio! Pistachio. I'm out of this joint. Hey, Grandpa Pig, look. I look like Green Goblin. Yeah, like. Well, okay, I'm gonna go. I'm out of this joint. Corn! My spider senses are tingling. I think I found the Green Goblin. There he is. He looks like an ugly pig. Alright, time to go. Woohoo!
La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la.
You all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
Flawless victory. Fatality.